Good morning, students. Today we will start one new chapter, Nasruddin name. This chapter is about a man, Nasruddin, who is very famous for boosting and spreading humors about him. So let's see what he want to say. So the name of the chapter is Nasruddin Aim. So let's see what he's going to aim. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take an aim, and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit the bang on the target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately bought a bow and some arrows. As you can see in the picture, there is a Nasruddin who is boasting about his skill in archery. Archery is something which when we put a bow and arrow and target something. So he is saying that when I string a bow and when I leave the arrow, it's going to hit the target, and I am pretty sure about it. And after hearing this, one of his friends brought the bow and some arrows. So let's see, is he going to hit the target or not? Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Hey Nasruddin, take this bow and arrow." Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Then his friend said, "Okay, if you are saying that you are very good in archery, hit that target. Now you have to shoot an arrow at that target." So let's see whether he is going to hit the target or not. Now his friends are going to test him. Nasruddin held the bow in his hand, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. Ooh! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell some down. It fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey, Nasruddin, is that your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow." Nasruddin was not able to hit the target, and then his friends started laughing at him. So he said that it's not mine, it's Azad's aim. This is how Azad is going to shoot an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. Once again, he tried, and then he was not able to hit the target, and it had fallen somewhere before the target. So now he is not able to hit the target, and he is boosting, and his friends were laughing, and he is defending himself by saying that it's not my best aim, but it's someone else. But it certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this was not mine. It was Chief Guard's aim." Once again, he's putting blame on someone else. Now, this time, he's putting blame on Chief Guard's aim. Now, somebody remarked, "Well, now who's next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. As Nasruddin was putting name of other people when he was not able to hit the target, so his friends started laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word this time. He quietly picked up one arrow and once again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit the bang on the target, and this time he hit the target. He didn't say a single word, but he hit the target. Now let's see what he is going to say when he was able to hit the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouth agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Now, at the third time, Nasruddin was able to hit the target, and everybody was stuck. and their mouth was open in amazement. They were quite amazed how Nashruddin was able to hit the target. And then Nashruddin said, "It was my aim." And he was very happy and proudly said that this is my aim. That's all. Now let's look at the new words. First is chatting. Chatting is when we talk to someone. Archery is a sport. String is a wire. Bang is a sound. Target is something when we are going to hit on some particular thing. Defending means to protect yourself. Amazement is when we are amazed by something, and dramatically matlab means suddenly. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you like this video.